You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. Yes, I said correctly. This is originally a surname of Dutch origin, meaning the victory of the people, and it's the name of a street, I believe, in New York City. If you want to learn how it's pronounced, it comes from Dutch, and in Dutch indeed it's pronounced Cuyler. Cuyler. Therefore, this is why in English it's also pronounced, I know the spelling makes it confusing, but once you know, it's pronounced Cuyler. And now you know Cuyler. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.